Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about getting positive reviews on your page. Let's get started. Facebook reviews gives your business a good rating. Reviews and recommendations on your Facebook page can help your business attract potential customers, and they will choose to purchase from your business rather than a business page without any reviews yet. It can help you gain the trust of your potential customers, and it provides star ratings on your Facebook page. If your Facebook business page has customer reviews, it can give assurance to your potential customers that your business is legit, and they can be assured that you provide good quality products and services to your customers. You can solicit reviews from new or regular customers. It's better to ask for a review rather than waiting for them to give you a business review. People are busy, and if they don't have the time to write positive reviews for your business, then they might not do it or forget all about it. So make sure to ask. Every time your customers purchase the products that you offer, you can politely ask for their review. Ask them what they like about the products that they purchase from you. Next, offer incentives. You can inform your customers that in exchange for their time in writing a review for a product, they will receive a coupon, a gift card, or a freebie. This can help encourage your customers to give your brand a positive feedback. Every customer wants to receive a gift card, a coupon, or a freebie, so whenever you offer something in return for their time to perform a task that can benefit your business, like a positive review on your Facebook page, then they are more likely to do it. Next, you can ask your customers for a review if you can send emails after a customer purchases your product. Then make it easy for them to leave a review. You can send a direct link where they can write a quick feedback regarding their purchase. Doing this will make it easier for your customers to give you a review instead of instructing them where and how to leave a review for your business. Also, you may include options that they can choose as to where they can leave a positive feedback for your business. Inform your customers how long it will take for them to write a review. Inform them that it will only take 1 or 2 minutes of their time to leave a feedback. If they are aware of the time it will take to write a feedback on your products or services, then they will make it possible to do it right away, even if they have a busy schedule. Share positive reviews on your page. As you receive positive feedback from your customers, you can share them on your posts. Your potential customers who are interested in your products might view that post, and the positive reviews that you share can attract them to check your page, view your products, and possibly purchase products from your business. Having positive reviews on your page can improve your visibility on Google. For example, when you search for the brand Newegg on Google, you'll be able to view their Facebook page on the first page of Google's search results. You can see here that the rating is 3 out of 5 based on the opinion of more than 6,000 people. On Google search results, you can see the rating in this section, and you can see 3 stars since it has a rating of 3 based on 13,000 votes. Now that you know about getting positive reviews on your page, we can now proceed to the next topic, engaging with your audience on Messenger. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.